You got 1 minute.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Nika with Fashionika. There's my cameraman Quang Quang. We are at Forever 21 because we are doing a challenge. It is the I buy an entire outfit in under 3 minutes and I have to wear it the entire day no matter how ugly it looks. We're just gonna have to see what happens. This challenge might be a little bit tough, solely because it's 3 minutes. But we're gonna put a timer on and it's gonna be a lot of fun. Let's get going. At Forever 21, this is the Mission Viejo Mall. This is the one I used to work at, so many memories. Hopefully we don't get caught because it's only 3 minutes. So don't catch me filming. So this is great timing, you guys, because Forever 21 is still having their extra 65% off. I think my tactic is going to be looking for a one piece or a dress because I only have 3 minutes. I'm only gonna be allowed to try on after the 3 minutes and I'm gonna have to pick whatever I find. So I think I'm just gonna grab as much as I can find and yeah, let's go. Stretch out, make sure I'm ready for this. All right, are you ready, Quang? Timer on, 3 minutes.
Ready, set, go. Oops. You got 2 seconds.
Go. The tactic here is to find anything that looks remotely cute and then you can tweak it. This is, oh my god, I'm so nervous. Oh, this is a cute summer dress, I think. Oh my god. Okay, small. They have so many of these ones. Dude, this is not easy.
You got 2 minutes to go.
Are you serious? Oh my god.
1 minute, 20 seconds.
What is this? Looks like it's cute.
You got 1 minute.
Finding a cute shirt. I'm actually stressed. I can't find jeans right now. It's impossible to find jeans.
30 seconds.
Oh my god, okay.
Ten, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Let's see what she has. You're out. You're out of time.
Okay. I grabbed a good amount. I hope something's cute in here, guys, because I have to wear this all day. So, we found a good amount of stuff. Let's go try it on in the fitting room. I have to buy at least one of these and wear them today, so fingers crossed that something looks cute at least. So in total I have like 10 items. I'm very hopeful that I can at least find one to wear today. But if not, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. We tried. We tried. This is a big fat no. It's like Alice in Wonderland or something. I'm covering this because I'm not wearing a bra right now, but yep. This is a no. Great. This one is a very, very strong contender. I'm not crazy about the skirt, but maybe I can make it work. This tank. Cute. Okay. Probably should have looked at sizes. This is a size 30. I wasn't looking, guys. I'm actually kind of digging this one. This is not my style, but I think it could be. This one could have worked, but it's a little long for my liking. It's just a little bit shorter. But again, it's kind of basic, not a huge fan. All right, you guys, I think I found what I wanted. I'm really excited to show you guys the outcome. But let's go to the register and pay. Oh my god, I almost ran into the rack. Okay, we're good though, we're good. Let's go. How much was it? $10.18. Oh my god, that's crazy. Got an entire outfit for $10, you guys. Thank you so much. I'm so excited right now. $10 for this. Gotta go run and change into my new outfit. Are you guys ready to see the final look? I'm so excited. Also, don't mind this. I just had to go to the hospital for a checkup really quick. But yeah, in total, I spent $10 for this outfit that I'm gonna be wearing today. And yeah, I'm really excited because 3 minutes was not easy, guys. It was not. up this video. I hope you guys appreciated that second bonus outfit. Yes, I did find 2 outfits in less than 3 minutes. Definitely a successful day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and like it if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!